SmartMap provides situational awareness on a global scale by allowing quick access to relevant devices from anywhere in the world. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to hide and show overlays. SmartMap can contain multiple overlays. We'll click the Show or Hide Overlays icon. Let's clear the Locations checkbox. Notice the Copenhagen location pin is not showing because that overlay is now hidden. Now let's clear the Links Locations checkbox. The Beaverton link overlay is now hidden. Each of the overlays can be toggled on or off in the same way. We'll select the Locations checkbox so we can see the overlays again. Maps link from within SmartMap. Let's click Warehouse. The Warehouse map opens in a new view. Click Close to close the window. You just saw how to hide and show overlays. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.